I'm at my newest listing in Northwest Columbus at the Ridges off Green Island Drive, 6400, unit number 62. This property is updated, well appointed, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful kitchen, 2 nice bathrooms, plenty of space. It does have association fee, will cover water, lawn care, roof, maintenance, and trash pickup. Great property. Look at the description below for all the details and pricing information. It's move-in ready. Thank you. The interior of this property has been completely updated with fresh paint, new LVP flooring, plantation shutters, kitchen countertops, beautiful cabinets, very spacious overlooking the family room. There's been an addition of about 200 square feet added by enclosing the decks in 2 rooms, and that's part of the square footage, puts it just shy of 2,000 square feet. The one thing I really like about the property, it's in Northwest Columbus, close to I-185, close to J.R. Allen Parkway, also close to Fort Moore, Texas, Pratt Whitney, and most any location in Alabama and Phoenix City or Columbus. You can get anywhere in those areas in about 25 minutes. Super well-maintained property, move-in ready. Picture of the master bath, double vanity, stand-up walk-in shower, glass doors, a view from the master bedroom back to the hallway, closets on both sides, into the master bath. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Owners can enjoy, this is the guest bath in the hallway, the service in the 2nd and 3rd bedroom, or any guests you may have. Beautifully well done. A shower tub's insert. This is the laundry room for double hookup. But the owners can enjoy at the Ridges the pool, the clubhouse, and you can hold any event you want for family or friends if there's availability on the schedule. View of the clubhouse. If you'd like to see this property, you can have your agent contact the listing information. I hope you enjoy looking at the property. Thank you and have the best day ever.